from the latest edition of Tesla's China official magazine called T-Zone Official. This spread features the Cybertruck's concept sail pillar storage feature.
Hey, that's kind of cool.
That's not actually there, though. But what is this? Is this like some kind of like a maybe?
T-Zone.
A possible? I didn't even know they had an official magazine in China by the name of T-Zone. But you know it's going to make the waves now. It's going to make the airwaves. Because you put it on an official thing and people start to say, wow, is this going to pop up? It's not unprecedented. You have, so like right now, you have a lot of different companies that make shells for the back of your truck. And some of them have access from the side panel. And others actually have storage in there. And then you've got ones that are from the manufacturer, like Ram does it with the Ram boxes. They're on the side of the bed, and there's like a lock section, and you lift that up, and you can put smaller items, store them in there, so they don't have to be jumping around the bed. So this is not that crazy. I just don't think it's actually there right now. And it is odd that it would pop up over here. Is that, what do they have stored in there? Is that a fishing rod?
It's a fishing rod.
I mean, you could put rifles in there too, couldn't you?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of cool.
I don't know if this would be an upgrade when you actually get to go order the thing, that you could check this box off, or is this strictly for a next generation? I managed to get a full-size picture of Cybertruck sail pillar storage, which briefly showed up during the Cybertruck unveil event. Wow, how do we miss all this? This is one of those things where you wonder about the nature of reality.
Did we miss it?
Yeah, or did we see it?
Or is this AI generated?
And yeah, is everything being mocked now to make us think that we missed something that was always there? Like the spelling of Berenstain Bears?
Yeah.
Which is actually Berenstain Bears. Sail pillar storage. Yeah, I want it. Can I have it or what?
Okay, yeah.
It could be seen in the March 2023 issue of the publication. That's the T-Zone publication in China. And it remains to be seen if it will be an actual option. But the Cybertruck is happening. Unlike the Roadster, the Cybertruck is happening. It's going to be on the road. People are going to buy a billion different accessories. And Tesla's going to have to rapidly change things about it from model to model to keep us going. It's going to be their F-150. It sounds crazy to say because it's a weirdly shaped aluminum can, but that's going to be their F-150.
This design is really cool.
If they let me config that, I promise you I'll put it on. If they let me config that, because I put in a pre-order. I gave them $500 500 years ago. I promise I'll put it on if they allow for it. But I don't even know. There's no latch. Was it magnetic? There's no latch. Is it motorized?
Probably motorized.
Remains to be seen. Yeah. Somebody says it looks dangerous. It's a good point, too. That looks like a sharp edge on that thing.
Fingers off?
No, dude, just look at the edge of it. If you walk into that, looks like a razor blade.
Right here.
Man, oh, man.
Pretty cool. I never knew about this Easter egg.
Yeah.